Did you know that your morning coffee, your laundry, and even your phone habits might be harming the planet? Most people don't realize how simple daily actions contribute to climate change, pollution, and deforestation. Today, I'll share 10 everyday habits that are quietly destroying the planet and how you can easily fix them. Stick around till the end because 10 is something almost everyone is guilty of. Number 1. Did you know that leaving your devices plugged in wastes tons of energy? Think your charger isn't using power if your phone isn't plugged in? Think again. Even when not in use, plugged in electronics drain energy. This is called phantom power. In the US alone, phantom power wastes $19 billion of electricity every year. That's equal to 50 large power plants running nonstop. Eco-friendly fix: unplug chargers, appliances, and electronics when not in use, or use a smart power strip to automatically cut off standby power. Number 2. Did you know that running water while brushing your teeth wastes gallons of water? You might not think twice about leaving the tap running while brushing your teeth, but this habit wastes over 8 gallons of water per day. That adds up to 2,920 gallons per year per person, enough to fill a swimming pool. Eco-friendly fix: simply turn off the tap while brushing, and you'll save thousands of gallons of water every year. Number 3. Did you know that most people waste more food than they think? Every year, 1.3 billion tons of food are wasted globally. That's 1/3 of all food produced. Food waste releases methane, a gas that is 25 times worse than carbon dioxide for the environment. The average American wastes $1,500 in food every year. Eco-friendly fix: plan meals ahead to buy only what you need. Store food properly to keep it fresh longer. Compost food scraps instead of throwing them in the trash. Number 4. Did you know that buying bottled water is one of the worst things for the planet? Bottled water is a $300 billion industry, but here's the ugly truth: over 1 million plastic bottles are bought every minute worldwide. Most plastic bottles end up in landfills or the ocean, where they take 450 years to break down. Eco-friendly fix: get a reusable stainless steel or glass water bottle and use filtered tap water instead of buying plastic bottles. Number 5. Did you know that fast fashion is one of the biggest polluters? That cheap t-shirt you bought for $5? It might be costing the planet way more than you think. The fashion industry produces 10% of all carbon emissions, more than airplanes and ships combined. One cotton t-shirt takes 2,700 liters of water to make, enough for one person to drink for 2.5 years. Eco-friendly fix: buy quality over quantity, invest in clothes that last. Support sustainable brands that use ethical materials. Thrift, swap, or donate clothes instead of throwing them away. Number 6. Did you know that your laundry might be polluting the ocean? Every time you wash your clothes, tiny microplastics are released into the water, and they end up in rivers, lakes, and oceans. Synthetic fabrics like polyester, nylon, and acrylic shed up to 700,000 microfibers per wash. These microplastics can't be filtered out, so they pollute marine life and enter the food chain. Eco-friendly fix: wash clothes in a microfiber catching laundry bag like a guppy friend bag. Choose natural fabrics like organic cotton, bamboo, and linen. Number 7. Did you know that single-use coffee cups aren't actually recyclable? Love your daily coffee run? Well, those paper coffee cups aren't actually recyclable. Most disposable coffee cups have a thin plastic lining, making them non-recyclable. Over 50 billion coffee cups end up in landfills every year. Eco-friendly fix: bring a reusable coffee cup or ask your barista if they offer compostable cups. Number 8. Did you know that meat production is one of the biggest causes of climate change? You don't have to be vegan, but cutting back on meat can massively reduce your carbon footprint. Livestock farming produces 14.5% of global greenhouse gas emissions. A single beef burger requires 660 gallons of water to produce. Eco-friendly fix: try meatless Mondays or swap beef for plant-based alternatives like lentils or mushrooms. Number 9. Did you know that flushing the toilet wastes up to 7 gallons per flush? Every time you flush the toilet, you're using up to 7 gallons of clean drinking water. The average person flushes 5 times a day, which means 12,775 gallons of water per year per person. Eco-friendly fix: if it's yellow, let it mellow. Install a low-flow toilet or use a dual flush system. Number 10. Did you know that leaving lights on is a huge energy waste? Turning off lights might seem small, but it adds up. Lighting accounts for 15% of global electricity use. Switching to LED bulbs reduces energy use by 75%. Eco-friendly fix: switch to LED bulbs, use motion sensor lights, and turn off lights when leaving a room. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.